Early bird machinery is the source factory for the production of various models of water well drilling rigs. It has more than 30 years of production experience. By the end of 2024, the machines have been sold to more than 160 countries and have helped more than 10,000 dealers to succeed. The success of an enterprise is inseparable from the integrity of the boss. If the boss is honest, the employees recruited must also be honest people. Good people will help others succeed. Our company has helped many customers succeed. I will give a few examples of customers. The first customer is a customer in Uganda. He did not cooperate with us for the first time because he found another factory to cooperate with. I reminded him that he would be deceived, but he chose to believe another person. One day a month later, he told me that he was deceived. Since then, we have been cooperating. When our company went to Kenya for a conference in 2023, he and another customer accompanied us for 5 days to help us introduce the quality and after-sales service of the machine to other customers, as well as the integrity of our company. I was very moved, and then he ordered more than $70,000 of goods each time, and now his business is getting better and better. The second customer is a customer in Malaysia. He became a boss after buying a water well drilling rig from a migrant worker. Now he has become a mechanic. People 365 kilometers away from his home will look for him to drill water wells, because his integrity and service have impressed customers, and his business is very good now. The third customer is a dealer in Mexico. He bought a water well drilling rig for the first time, 2 water well drilling rigs for the second time, a 20-foot container of water well drilling rigs for the third time, and a 40-foot container of water well drilling rigs for the fourth time. He bought all the machines of every model of our company and sold them at home. He said that he would buy 4 tons a year in the future, and the quantity purchased each time would be more than 2 40-foot containers. We have many stories of customers. Because of trust, we will trade. Because of trade, we will cooperate for a lifetime. Because of the relationship of cooperation for a lifetime. So customers and our company win-win. The German engineer said that the quality of our machines is very good. The Romanian customer said that our machine quality is the best in China. And the African customer said that he would cooperate with us forever. These are all evidenced by videos. And they all came to our factory in short videos in the factory. Any successful person comes from ordinary work. Even if you have no money now, we can help you earn the first pot of gold in your life. But you need to have integrity, kindness, diligence and determination to persist in doing things. Business is like a growing tree. Any tree needs to grow slowly from a young age. There is no shortcut. Only by working hard and willing to help others can you grow slowly. If you cooperate with our company for more than 3 years, you will become a different person. Your family will live a very wealthy life. And you will have a high prestige in your neighborhood. If you are a politician, after 3 years of cooperation with our company, your farmer's income will increase by more than 3 times every year. And your official rank will definitely rise. Because any industry needs kind people. And kind people must be very successful. The ultimate goal of our company is to make the poor people in the world live a rich life. And then the world will develop peacefully and achieve the desire of a community with a shared future for mankind. I hope you will also join this common desire, because this cause needs more of you to join. And I believe this is also the reason why God arranged for us to meet. In addition to producing water well drilling rigs, we also provide water source detectors, machines for purifying salt water and sewage, and large water treatment plants. As long as you cooperate with our factory, we will recommend machines and business management methods suitable for you according to your growth stage. Sincere cooperation leads to longer cooperation.